Here is an important question from test point of view based on calculus, tangents and normals. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll consider a very interesting question where the equation of tangent is given to us and we need to find the parameters. The question here is, f of x equals to x squared plus ax plus b, where a and b are constants. Tangent to this curve at x equals to 1 is 2x plus y equals to 6. Find the values of a and b. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then check with my solution. In case you want to learn from me, you can send an email on the address given. Most of my students are right there on the top of the class getting awards like Akshat.
After attending university. The winner of this year's Certificate of Achievement Schulich Leader Award is Akshi Kandivani.
Great. Our student Akshat gets highest marks and the most prestigious Schulich Leader Award. You can be there. Join our classes and excel. Now let's try to understand the solution of this particular question. We are given a function which is f of x equals to x squared plus ax plus b. So a and b are unknown. However, we are given some more information, and that is tangent to the curve at x equals to 1. So at x equals to 1, we are given that the tangent is 2x plus y equals to 6. Now these two conditions are given, so we can find the two unknown parameters a and b. X equals to 1, this point is also there on the tangent. So what we can do is, we can put x equals to 1 here and find y. Plus the equation of tangent also gives us the slope, right? So if you look into this half, first, let's rearrange this equation. So you can get y as equals to minus 2x plus 6. And that means that the slope m is minus 2. Very important information. And that directly gives you that derivative is minus 2 at x equals to 1, correct? So you can find the derivative here. We get what? 2x plus a. And this derivative at x equals to 1 is equal to minus 2, which you can also find by substituting x equals to 1 here, right? And that is equal to minus 2. This is what we are saying. You get the idea. So connecting the slope with the first derivative helps us to give the first equation or one of the two equations. Now, there are two unknowns. Well, from here you can always find what a is, right? So let's find a straight away. So a is equals to minus 2 minus 2, and that is minus 4. So we got one value. The other value you can get from the point itself. So let's do that. We know y should be equal to what? At x equals to 1, I'm substituting 1 here in this equation, because the point is common to both tangent and the curve, right? This is because x is equal to 1. So the y value is minus 2 plus 6, which is 4. So we can substitute the value 4 in the given equation, right? And relate b, right? So that means the function at 1 should be equal to 1 square plus a times 1 plus b. And this value, the value of the function is the output 4, right? So we get, you see how we have related this equation. So connecting like this helps us to understand and also get the solution. You're getting my point, right? Now we know what a is. We can substitute a as minus 4 here and find what b is, right? So let's continue and find b. So b is equals to 4 minus 1 minus a is minus 4, right? So I'm substituting plus 4 here, and that gives me 7. Now, how do I get this value, right? Because a is minus 4. So I could have written here f of 1 as equals to 1 minus 4 plus b equals to 4, and then get this result. You get the idea. So by doing so, we have our solution, and clearly the solution is that a is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to 7. Is that clear to you? Simple. So what I've shown here is how from the given information we can derive the results, correct? So I hope the steps are absolutely clear. So let me jot down these steps very clearly once again for you. So what you need to do, since we are given x equals to 1, find y. Using the equation of tangent itself, which is 2x plus y equals to 6. That is step number 1, right? And step number 2 is, once you find y, you know the point, right? So you know the point, and in our case, when we substituted 1, we get the y value as what? Minus 4. No. We got the y value as 4, right? So the point was 1, 4, right? Makes sense? 2 plus 4 is 6. Correct. So in this equation, you can now find the derivative. And derivative is given to you as slope, right? Second is rearrange 2x plus y equals to 6 as y equals to minus 2x plus 6. And that gives you slope m as minus 2. So that means that the derivative of the function at 1 is equals to minus 2. Got it? So that gives you second condition, which relates a and b. So from these two conditions, you can always find the missing numbers a and b. So derivative, as you know, for this particular function will be 2x. So substitute 1 for x. Let me write 2x plus ax, and that will give you minus 2 equals to 2 times 1 plus a, and that gives you the value of a as minus 4. You see, so clear, right? And once you know this, then you can substitute this value of a in the function itself. So f of 1, substitute the value of a here, will give you 1 square plus a of minus 4 times 1 plus b, and the y value being 4 gives us the value of b, right? So 4 plus 4 minus 1, which is 7. Do you see that? So it becomes so simple. That is how you should be approaching such questions. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comments and suggestions, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. And in case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. Thanks for your time and all the best.